Oh, that was some cinematography. Cinematography. Cinematic. Just automatic, systematic. Super bad now. Here's Ariana. She only has one left. One bar, so she's complaining as usual. Oh, these are all the people.
This guy
from the war
killed by the Soviet Union soldiers. Same night, at 1990, 19 January.
All these people?
All these people. And behind this one, people killed by the Armenian soldiers. I will show you.
Oh, okay. Where are the steps, though?
You say at night it looks really cool, the city lights.
Yeah, because it's such a view, you know?
Because the flames, you know, the towers, they light up different.
Different colors, right?
Or no, it lights up flames, so it looks like it's moving. That's what I saw in the film.
Oh, so many people.
Young kids, young mother, women. They came city center by the tank, and they start to
shoot
everybody.
Oh, beautiful.
Bubbling smithereens. We're out here in the desert, Azerbaijan, and here we have volcanoes, and these. Yeah.
From Denmark.
What?
One gentleman from Denmark, just 3 weeks ago. He was in my group.
Yeah.
He fell down by belt. Looking like very solid, but not solid, very soft. Be careful.
Is it hot?
No, very cold. But
very cold?
He was in mud by belt.
Oh, really?
We took this gentleman, but without shoes and pants. I was so lucky in group, we were just boys.
Yeah. Well, you know, the people.
But you are with lady, be careful.
You say, Ariana,
What?
You say a guy from Denmark fell in and was up to here.
Wow. And what happened? Wait,
They had to carry him out. What?
Go see it. Okay.
It's mud for your face. See, it bubbles out. There's Ariana taking a picture of it. See, people try to take a Coke bottle and put mud in it, and then it didn't work and they abandoned it.
Dad,
What?
smile.
Back.
Okay, now come here and take a picture of me. It's sick, come here.
You gonna touch it?
Yeah, wait, get me touching it. Get a picture of me touching it. Ooh, I should. Can I? Is it hot? Whoa, it's really cold. It's like clay, kind of. It feels smooth.
You know? It's like clay. It's like clay, huh? Alright.
Touch it.
Petroglphys. From 7 millennia before Christ. So 7 millennia, I think that's, a millennia is what, 100 or 1,000? I think it's 1,000. So that's 7,000 years before Christ, yeah? And there's one right there. It's a bull. It's a cow.
You can just see the carvings.
All the carvings in the...
Dang, it's like high up, so there must have been other rock down there.
Must have had to be a rock down there for them to get up there. But...
Rituals.
It's nice and cool in here too. So this would be a perfect place if you're a caveman to stay, because it's cool inside. It's warm outside. Now this is Petroglphys. Now we gotta go to Egypt after you see something like this. After you see something like this with the petroglifs, you can go see painting on the wall. This is
It's like art history. That was my favorite class. I love petroglyphs. I love learning.
it's amazing that they find something like this way out here, you know?
And I bet there's still some undiscovered. Like,
It has to be.
like underground.
Hmm?
Like, think about it. Like, think about memories.
They were here.
Is that a theater show or a play?
Is that a, yeah. What's that?
Another cat.
This is the old town. Azerbaijan. Oh, nice. You should take a picture for them right now.
See, I wanted to eat in like authentic.
She wants to eat here.
Yeah, but
Yeah. Tomorrow.
yeah, tomorrow can we come back?
I need to get one of these.
Please inside 2 mini, my friend.
Can I get one of those?
Maybe later. Maybe.
Yeah, on the way back we get one.
Inside 2 mini.
Yeah, well we walk here, then we come back, we get. Look at his hair. His wig. See it. Look at his hair. Here we gotta get the. No. Okay, you hold this. It's almost dead though. You want to stand there?
Yeah.
Here, turn this.